My friends, come out from a comfort zone right now, right now, right now. Come out from a comfort zone. Lead a successful life. And to lead a successful life, just make friendship with an uncomfortable life. You just stand on a discomfort zone and it will make your life stronger, stronger and stronger. If you want to have a peaceful life, now immediately come out from your comfort zone. Comfort zone will make your life slow. Peaceful life make your life disappointed. Peaceful life is boring life. Come out from your comfort zone right now and just see the world in a different aspect. The morning you get up, you open your eyes, you see that you are living a comfortable life. Your whole day is going to be ruined. You are not going to do anything. You are just switching on your TV, spending time before it, taking a cup of coffee and reading a newspaper, and you are talking and chatting with your phone, surfing the smartphones, and you are not doing anything in your life because you are thinking that your life is full of peace and you are living a comfortable life. So comfortable life stop your career growing. You can't grow if you are leading a comfortable life. So my friend, this is the time you should come out from your comfort zone. This is Abhi Bhattacharya from Red Rose Spoken English Institute. I'll come in the next time with a new video. Till then, you all take care. Bye-bye.